You are looking for that ice cream recipe that is so good but very easy to put together, then you are at the right place. Hello exhibitors, welcome back to my kitchen, or welcome if today is the first time here. My name is Lena and we share easy recipes which you will love them. Okay, so please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. I have with me here my mango and then my bananas. Okay, so I have the local mango and then the foreign mangoes. So you can use only the foreign mangoes or the local mangoes. You are good to go. Any type that you want to use, you can as well omit the bananas. Okay, I have a lot of ice cream recipes on the channel or the page. Please kindly check them out, you will love them. I have washed all my fruits very well. Now go ahead and then peel the skin, and we are going to blend our bananas. Okay, with this recipe we are going to use 4 bananas, and should you want to use only one or any quantity, you do it according to your taste or how you want it. Now we have to wash the mangoes very well so that we will not transfer any dirt to our ice cream. So wash it very well before you proceed. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. We share recipes and more, so please do not hesitate to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, or social media platforms. If you want short videos that are less than a minute or a minute duration videos, but the recipes are detailed, please follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube shorts. So after I was done cleaning the mangoes or washing them, I went ahead to cut them, and now I am trying to bring it out from the skin. Okay, or scoop it from the skin, and then we will go ahead and continue with the procedure. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are seeing. Can you please like the video, share to others, leave me your comments in the comment section, and then please do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. Jessica, they don't take money. Okay, it is free, so please do so for me. Should you want to use knife to peel the skin instead of what I'm doing, you are good to go, but trust me, this is the best way to get your mango or scoop it from the skin. Now I have it here, that is the mangoes and then the bananas. We are not going to add any liquid to it before we blend. Should you want to add milk to it before you blend, you can go ahead and do so, or if you want to add water to it, just go ahead and do so. Now this is what we have next. I have my heavy cream here. It is 1.5 gallon. Okay, so I'm going to whip it so that we get it creamy. Now I have shared a lot of ice cream recipes, which if you don't want this, you can substitute it with something. So please go ahead and then check the ice cream videos and you will love them. I know still someone will ask me, what can I use instead of the heavy cream? But please do not do that. Just go through the ice cream videos and you will learn a lot. Okay, I've brought you a lot that I use different things that you can use instead of heavy cream. Now we will go ahead and do this till it becomes creamy. You can stop at this point, but I just want it this way. I mean, creamy, very creamy, so I'm just going to continue. Thank you so much for watching from the beginning till this point. Now this is where we are going to stop. Just look at that, absolutely good, and I love it. Okay, so I am just going to add the fruit that we blended. Okay, I had to increase my volume because someone was calling me, so I didn't want the noise to come in. Now I'm just going to mix it very well so it becomes uniform, and then we are good to go. Like I said, you can use any quantity of fruit you want and you are good to go, but I prefer using a lot of the fruit so I can enjoy it the way I want. Okay, yeah. Now I'm going to use my spatula to mix it. You can use spoon, you can use anything to mix it. Okay, yes, because I know someone will say, I don't have spatula, what should I do? You can actually use anything to mix this, and then you are good to go. So that is what I'm going to do now, and then we continue. When making this, if you want to add sugar, being powdered sugar, granulated sugar, or any type of sugar, you can go ahead and do so, but I'm not going to add that. Okay, so you will see what I will be adding, and then you are good to go. We made this with few ingredients, but the taste is absolutely good. Okay, very, very nice. So far we have used 3 ingredients, and just look at that, so perfect and creamy. I'll repeat it again. If you don't want the heavy cream, there are so many things or so many creamy ingredients you can use to replace the heavy cream. So please go ahead and then watch my other ice cream recipes. You will love them. At this moment, you can make your ice cream rubber ready, even though we are now going to add our sweet to it. So I've added my sweet condensed milk. Okay, with the condensed milk, if you've been working with condensed milk for some time now, or for a very long time now, I mean, you've been using it, yes, frequently, you will know what I'm coming to talk about. Some are very sweet and some are not sweet. Okay, so with my ice cream, I usually use the one that are sweet so that I can just use small quantity. But with my condensed milk candy, I use the one with the less sweet. Okay, yes. Now after we finished mixing everything, I decided to pour it in the rubber and then tie it very well. This is what we have. Now you can pour it in your cups and you are good to go. Trust me, put this in your freezer overnight or 6 hours and perfect. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.